Install an antivirus. If your PC is running slowly, it's possible that it is infected with a virus, spyware, or malware. This is not as common as the other problems, but it's something to consider. Make sure that you have a good antivirus software installed on your system. Windows is packaged with its own antivirus and firewall software called Windows Defender. It is free and efficient. Windows Defender automatically scans your PC for installed malware on a regular basis, but you can also start a scan whenever you want. Windows Defender automatically quarantines or removes anything that is detected during a scan. Make sure that you update this all the time. In order to do that, click on the Windows icon on the screen or strike the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Defender and click on it. Once Windows Defender has started, the first thing you will see on the top is a PC status bar. If your PC is protected, that status bar will be green. In this case, our PC is potentially unprotected, and as a result, the status bar is red. If the PC was not protected at all, the status bar would be red. Looking down on the home screen, we see that the virus and spyware definitions are out of date. This is very likely the reason why our PC is potentially unprotected. In order to update them, we must click on the Update button. In order for this to update successfully, you will need an active internet connection. On the left-hand side, you will see scan options. You can do a quick scan, a full scan, or a custom scan by selecting the appropriate type of scan. Once you have selected it, click on the Scan Now button. In the Update tab, we will be provided with information about how up-to-date our virus and spyware definitions are. In this case, they are out of date. In order to update them, we must press the Update button on the right-hand side. Once again, in order for this to be successful, you will need an active internet connection. Next, let's look at settings. The first option in settings deals with real-time protection. Always ensure that real-time protection is turned on. Real-time protection alerts you whenever malicious or potentially unwanted software attempts to install itself or run on your PC. Next, let's look at the advanced settings. In advanced settings, you will see settings for scan archive files, scan removable drives, create a system restore point, allow all users to view the full history results, and so on. Ensure that all of them are checked. It is important to check create a system restore point, as this will allow you to go back to a point when the system was working very well. In the case that your computer was infected by a virus, you can always go back to the system restore point. Next, we'll look at removing quarantined files. This option allows you to decide how long quarantined files are stored before they're permanently deleted from your system. You can choose an option of 1 day going up to 3 months. We would suggest an optimal time of 1 week so that you have enough time to ensure that quarantined files do not have an adverse impact on the running of your system. Once you are happy with the settings that you have selected, you can click the Save Changes button. A word of caution: you don't need to install more than one antivirus program. In fact, running more than one antivirus program at the same time can cause conflicts and errors that make your antivirus protection less effective or not effective at all. This is a great way. By ensuring that your computer is free of viruses, malware, and spyware, you are ensuring that your system is performing at its optimum at all times.